It's your time to live life king size. Welcome to Portland House, a stellar student housing destination in Exeter, redefining what it means to reside in class. Nestled in Longbrook Street, this stunning haven offers a selection of ultra-stylish studios to choose from. Each unit here welcomes you to a snug bed, a spacious closet, a private bathroom, and a fitted kitchen, taking your stay to the ultimate level of comfort. But wait, there's more. Stay agile with the on-site gym and do away with impending academic deadlines with a dedicated study space. Satiate your caffeine cravings in style at the on-site coffee lounge and have a fun social life with the amazing weekly events. Speaking of location, you're a short stroll away from Exeter College and University of Exeter, ensuring you're never late for any early morning lectures. Appease the shopaholic within you at Guildhall Shopping Center and grab a drink or two with pals at the Angel Bar and Hole in the Wall Bar. Plus, saving time and money is the new cool with Portland House being in proximity to various bus stops and train stations. So, does this student home tick all your boxes? If yes, head straight to amberstudent.com to book your perfect stay at Portland House, the best of what Exeter has to offer.